Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to find competitors targeting audience on Facebook ads. So want to know exactly who your competitors are targeting on Facebook? This trick can help you spy smart and sell smarter. In this video, I will show you how can you find your competitors target audiences for free on by Facebook ad library. So first of all, you have to go to Facebook ad library. So for that, you need to go to the Google search menu and search for Facebook ads or meta ads. Then click on the meta ads library first link and select your country you are targeting to find your targeted audiences. So I am now finding the audiences from USA. So let me select the US, United States, and yes, and you will also need to select the ad category. So I'll just select all ads and search for an example Danform shoes. I know that it's a popular shoe brand on USA, so let's search for that. Danform Danform shoes. Danform shoes. Okay, now here I can see all the ads they have just published from Facebook ads. Then here I can see the filters option also. So you can filter many things from here, like languages English I prefer. Then advertisers, all advertisers, then from shoes from then from shoes, of course. Then platform I'll select the Facebook because I want to know the targeted audiences from the Facebook platforms. And then media type, it will be all media types, and obviously active ads. Let me just check 7 May 2018 to 17 May 2025. You can also select 75 75 like 2022 to apply filter. You can then apply filters, or you can just let it be as it is. Okay, then I'm applying 5 filters. I can see there are 18 results showing as active ads. Let me go on a specific ad. Okay, then from shows, oh, it brought me to the Facebook page. So for the targeted audiences, you need to see who liked or reacted on their post or the active status. Let me see, there's no location showing on this, not this account also. So here I can see the Vermont, it's on USA of course, and also Vermont, Dip Show, UVM studied, Catherine Brandt, not showing any location, no location, patient service at University of Vermont. See, so this ad was specifically given for Vermont. I can say that. So let's just see if they did any ads on UK. Let us check United Kingdom. Then from shoes, the choose category, sorry. Then from shoes, I can't see any ads on Dan from shoes. That means they didn't run any ad on United Kingdom. So we'll just stay on United States. United States. You can also see other ads like this. no location showing. Colchester High School, gym codes. Okay, Colchester, Vermont. So basically, this brand maximally targets for Vermont. You can also check for other locations like United Kingdom and add category, select all ads not done from shoes, space, shoes. Let's see. You can see here are many of the ads they are showing. Shoes category, Clark shoes advertisers. Clark shoes, let's get on that. Clark shoes, I think it's basically, yes, England. See, their targeted audiences on England. Yangtze University, United Kingdom. You can see at one person, Bully Beat, Martinez, Las Vegas, Christian, London, United Kingdom. So here you can see that we have just found out two brands who are specifically running their ads on United States and United Kingdom. So basically we can say that in this by following this method you can also find your competitors target audience on Facebook. So if your ads aren't working, chances are it's not your product, it's your ad audience. Understanding who your competitors are targeting gives you a huge edge. You can replicate the what's working for them and skip the guesswork. I have shown you the work already by using the meta ads library and Facebook pages. So now I'll share some bonus tactics to go deeper. Optional stage sections. Use similar or meta business suits audience insights if you are running ads to compare interest overlaps. Spy on their Instagram creatives for visual targeting trends. Use tools like AdSpy, Big Spy, or Turbo Ad Finder for Chrome to go deeper if you are serious about competitive research. Recap. So by using the meta ad library, page transparency, and smart observation, you can reverse engineer who your competitors are targeting and use that insight to refine your own audience strategy. So that's it for today. If you have found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more ad strategy breakdowns. Got a specific brand you want me to analyze next? Drop it in the comments. I might cover it in the next video.